Let me start off by saying Nicole has saved my life. I mean, it might sound far-fetched, but she really has. She helped me put the work in to not only clean up my credit, but take me to a new level. I didn't think it was possible. When I started this process, my credit score was in the mid-500s. I couldn't even get a $600 secured credit card. I found Nicole on TikTok and I would soak up her knowledge. She would give me and I'd soak up the videos left and right and just keep going at it. And she gave away all that information for free. So, you know, I couldn't really complain. After that, I looked her up on YouTube at Credit Coach Nicole Scott. And after that, I made one of the best decisions and I reached out to her. She was so positive and helpful. It was such an easy transition. Nicole made it so easy for me. Now that we have connected, things are going in a positive position. My credit scores are in the mid-high 700s, and I'm accomplishing more than I thought was possible. I've got approved for 5 new credit card limits, and they are $38,000 with one raise, $16,800 from Chase, the Freedom Flex card. I got the $38,000 with Navy Federal. Got $30,300 from Chase Sapphire Preferred. I've got a $10,000 Apple card, and I just got approved for the Amex Gold, which I didn't think was even possible at one point when I could barely get the $600 secured credit card from Discovery. She's helped me get 3 secured loans, and I've added up some authorized users. So it really has been a work in progress, and I can't really thank her enough. So pleased with the outcome, and now I'm addicted to it. You know, I can't get enough of it. The next class I'm going to take is the business courses that she offers and see where that goes. I'm hoping that we can continue our friendship and continue making great business decisions and help me with my future. You know what I mean? So I know it can look scary at times and at times out of reach to accomplish your credit goals. But what I can say is watch her videos, and when you feel you're ready to reach out to her and take that leap, okay? I promise you won't be disappointed. So have a good day and reach out to Nicole, please. You know what? I don't think you'll be very, very satisfied. I promise you that.